stuff. Come on.
That's too funny.
Get your toes. You're all fluffed out. There y'all go. Tom, nothing.
No, they will come after you.
They can just follow you around. It's okay.
Guineas and
Yeah, this is weird. Better not go after you.
Get it! Get away from me! Go back to him.
behind me.
I'm recording, but you stay back there.
Recording. Look at that. Look at this. Well, if we had a bigger cage.
Let's see, Snake.
If we had a bigger cage or something put him in. Look at that.
Wow.
He's got some man handling him. Some guy is handling him and doing him. As soon as he comes, he's like, damn.
Yeah. You don't like them, do you? Don't take it down.
No, that's some guy does it. Some guy's fooling him. Some man. He's okay with him.